welcome back to my channel. I am breelishell. If you're new here, as y'all can see by the title, today I am doing a hair video. When y'all see me with the bunny on when I'm just coming in here in my intro, y'all know it's gonna be a hair video. The hair I'm gonna be using is the Bobbi Boss New Locks in 24 inches. I actually think I got the wrong color. And I'm gonna be wrapping the hair with the freestresspre-fluffed afro kinky hair. Also gonna be doing like knotless locks, I guess if you call it. I've done this hairstyle before, but I didn't do the knotless method, so this is gonna be my first time doing it, and I'll show y'all how I do it. So I'm about to go ahead and like pre-part my hair, and then I'll see y'all when I'm showing y'all how to do the knotless look. So yeah, it's kind of weird, y'all, but I have a few of them done in the back, and I'm using my mirrors this time to part my hair. And I'm just gonna show y'all how you get the knotless look. So right here, I'm just getting my part together. I'm just putting the easy edge control on it to kind of gather it. And I'm gonna start to braid. So you wanna braid almost halfway down your hair. And then you want to take your crochet lock. It has like a loop on it, and you want to loop it through one strand of the braid. And then once you loop it through, you're going to continue braiding down your braid. And now you want to take your afro kinky hair, and you're going to crochet that through your braid. And then you're just going to wrap. So when I crochet it through, I don't crochet it all the way through. I still leave a little bit so I can hold with my braid in the lock, and then I just continue to wrap tightly all the way down into where my hair stops. And by doing this method, you don't have that big hooky bump at the top of your lock, and it looks knotless. It gives the knotless effect.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Wait, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. And it feels like baby, I swear. It's like no, I didn't. No.
done with the back of my hair. See? I did a really good job with my parting. I'm about to do the front, and then when I do the front, I probably can show y'all a more detailed way of the knotless.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. Yeah. I'll give you so in love, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
Okay, now I'm at the top of my head, still doing the same method. I'm braiding down my hair a little bit, and now I'm gonna add the lock to one of the strands and then keep braiding all the way down. As you can see, I went ahead and did like 2 rows doing that. So when I'm done with this braid, all I have to do is wrap the rest of them, and it just goes by a little bit faster to me.
Bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and him, I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, hold up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, but you on a plane, taking your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for?
Okay, y'all, I'm finally done on my hair. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I just got done. I think I did pretty good. I feel like this is the best I've ever done. My parts, I ended up using 3 out of the 6 locks that I bought. Had a lot more left of the afro twist hair that I wrapped the hair around with, and yeah, so I definitely have some more packs to do my hair again if I want to. So I only used 3 packs of the locks. I actually thought that I was gonna run out, but I didn't. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this mousse on. I'm just gonna use the Shine and Jam mousse. Maybe. I'm about to wrap my hair and go to bed.